Hey guys, Abbott back from Consider Tech. Today I'm checking out the Chromecast Ultra. So Google, this is not a Google Nest product like I've reviewed frequently, but this is just a normal product that Google makes, and it's the casting service that you can cast to your TV, or you can connect to your Google to play Netflix or any streaming service that supports the Google Chromecast. So there is two sets of Chromecasts. There is the regular Chromecast, and there's the Chromecast Ultra, which we'll be unboxing today. So the benefits over the Chromecast Ultra, you may ask. So you can hook up Ethernet to it, as I'll show. You can have, there's more resolution because it's 4K instead of the regular one, just 1080p. So if you have a 4K TV, you can take benefit in a 4K Chromecast. And it's generally, the streaming's better, the quality's better, audio's better, the more capabilities, and it's, for $90, it's much better than a $40 one if you need that extra performance. So let's get right into the unboxing. So unlike normal, we will not be using the right angle pick. We'll be using just a straight pick, just as like I've done in the last unboxing, just so different unboxing strategies you can do. So we can flip it over, and we can start ahead on unboxing it very gently. Remember, you do not want to destroy the packaging, just in case you want to get warranty on it, because it breaks or something happens to it. We just flip it over, and there, we're greeted with presentation. So, we're greeted with a good presentation. So you can go right ahead, lift out the Chromecast, lift that out. You have your instructions, and you have your power adapter. So, because it's 4K, there's going to be more power than it needs to it. But the thing about this one is you have the Ethernet port on it, which will allow for better Wi-Fi, which will allow for better internet speeds, and overall better experience with the Chromecast. So, it's a pretty big plug. You have the little, let's do it together. Peel. Is there one on the Chromecast? There's not. Okay. So the Chromecast, it just pops off like that and pops back on if you ever need that. And it just plugs right into the back there. And that is the setup. Well, this is what is included in the Chromecast box. So as you saw when I took the Chromecast box out, and I took the Chromecast out, there's the power adapter, there's the Chromecast itself, and I can't really show you because it's kind of difficult to show you on TV, me setting it up, but it's a general process, and there's instructions, and there's multiple videos online. But it's a very good system, and I suggest it. Thank you for checking out my review on the Chromecast Ultra. Please hit that subscribe button and bell icon to get notified when we post every Tuesday and Thursday.